Who gonna take this braids out? I am. I am. I am. I am. Who gonna take this braids out? I am. I am. I am. Hi, so this is like 2 days later. The initial beads that I wanted to put in my hair, they were not enough, so I had to order some on Amazon to, complete it. But then I realized that I actually do not want the colors that I had. I think they look quite nice. I think after I put the beads in, it's gonna like have the vision that I was going for. The beads I'm gonna be using are these beads. I'll put a link down below. I really don't feel like messing with my hair right now, and hopefully these braids are going to last. me a week or no 2 weeks or more. That's basically it. Like, I don't know if you guys want to see me put the beads in my hair. I'm gonna record a bit of it anyway to help me put the tips of my hair into the hole, because the hole is not big enough for my crochet pin to go through, to like pull it through. I'm going to have to put like some edge control or like some holding gel to make it really, like, to make the ends of my hair really thin and stiff, so I can like feed it through the holes of the beads. Whew. Okay, so this is taking longer than I thought it was going to. Well, I knew that it would take long, but trying to feed it through and then like carry on, it's a lot. And like with the back of my hair, I have to kind of like look in the mirror and like feel for the hole. It's just long, so you guys get the gist of what I'm trying to do. I'm not gonna bore you, honestly. I'm just gonna go off and finish this, and I'll be back when I'm like at least halfway done. I don't want to edit this, I can't lie. Don't want to sit here editing this for hours trying to cut through all of this long footage. So I'm gonna, you guys, like, so I'm basically, let me explain a bit before I go. Let me be a proper YouTuber. Let me be a proper YouTuber. What I'm doing is I'm getting my hair and I'm taking some edge control. I am trying to straighten the tips as much as possible so I can like easily feed it through the hole in the bead, because they are quite small. So I just feed it through. I didn't go in, feed it. It's not difficult, but it's difficult. So okay, so that's one in, and I'm gonna put another one through, and then I'm gonna put another one through. Once I get a 3 on that I want, this is what the tips of my hair looks like. Very thin, very straight. I bring that back up to around the last bead, and I push it down just enough so my hair is still around the last bead but it's still not showing. And then I get rubber band, wrap it round to secure it. So I just keep wrapping until it won't wrap anymore, and that's now secured. And then I push the rest of the beads down, and then that's that. Yeah, I think so too. What were you thinking? I think so too. I think so too.
6.5 hours later.
Hi. So this is the finished look. I wanted to show you a quick look of what it looks like. I really like it. I'm going to keep this in for at least 2 weeks. That's the point of this. Like, I don't want to plait my hair, I don't want to touch it, but I still want to look cute. So I'll see you guys in my next video of me looking cute and styling it and all of that. So thank you guys for watching this video. I will catch you guys next time. Bye.